This is my second, third, or fourth attempt to do this video. The first one, I was interrupted. Family came over and I put it away. And then I just didn't get back to it. The second one, I did the whole thing. And when I looked at it, I didn't have a head. And that wasn't going to work. So this must be the third one. And I'm hoping that I have a head and nobody interrupts this video. Although they already have, and I had to chase him. But that part will be deleted. Hi everyone, this is Jan from Adam's Van Adventures, and we are not in the van. We've been home for the summer. This is a shout out to Elf Lord's Journeys, and I will put the link to his channel in the description box. I call him L. E for the elf and the L for the Lords. And we have a lot in common. We like photography. We like to travel. We like videos. We like flowers. We like the wilderness. The only difference is we camp and he doesn't. He also likes to go on cruises, just like us. And I would like you all to subscribe to him. And he's a really nice person, and he always replies. One year he asked, could he do watercolors of our trips? And I said, of course you can. You have permission to use whatever you would like. So as a surprise to me, he sent me some of his watercolors that he did of our pictures. This is the first one, and this is Plato Lake. This is the second one, and this is Mount Robson. It's so nice to have these as memories. Now these are all in the Canadian Rockies. This one is Lake Louise in Banff National Park, which is, Canadian Rockies. But it was so appreciated that he would spend his time and effort doing these for me. And yeah, I haven't been out yet to get picture frames for him. That's one thing I want to do. But for Christmas, this is what he sent me. It's not anything that I have taken pictures of or anything like that. This is from him painting what he wanted to paint, and I put the frame around it. But it's such a kind thought. And every Christmas I bring it out and I add this to my Christmas decorations, which are quite truthfully very few and far between. Christmas is a sad time of year for us, but we make it through. And these little gifts are so much appreciated and used. So I'm asking you to all, well, at least take a look at his channel. And if you like what you see, subscribe to him. So, thanks for watching, and see you all later.